Okay, well, here we fucking are. This beast. I don't know what was smoking on her, but something was jacked up. Something got hot, and I don't know what. So I'll do my best. I'll pull it off, check it out. Yeah, the other issue is just that it could have been the wire shorting out on something. Well, see if I can't check all that first. Looks like it's just non-insulated all the way down. So I wonder if there's a really hard to get to bolt up top. Let's start with the cables. Looks like a 1/2 inch on that and maybe a 7/16 on the other. Wow, is that actually metric? Oh, wow. It's my lucky day. I feel like that's probably a 14. Oh. No, looks like it's gonna be a 15. By the way, this wrench that I have, I will promote them, except you can't buy this exact one anymore because they no longer make it in 6-point. So that's a 6-point, and it's really good for staying on fasteners, and also despite what everyone else says, they do help a lot when you have a nut or bolt that is kind of messed up. If it's rounded a little bit, this is what you want. Except for Tecton, a company that used to make them, they still make them, but they're a 12-point now, and that really irritates me, because the whole reason I bought them was because they were 6-point, and I turned other people onto them too. Now I feel bad. I don't know, they have a good replacement plan, but I'm uncertain whether or not you can replace them with another 6-point if they're still holding on to replacements. And if they're not, shame on them, and also shame on them in the first place for switching over to a 12-point, or at least keep both in stock, you know, 6 and 12. All right, let's see. So that was a 14, and then to get this off here, I imagine it's probably SA, some old craftsman set that I have. Also need to get the lead off for, I can't really see how that comes off there though. Oh, looks like 8mm, since we're dealing in metric. Just gonna buck this loose for now. Top one probably won't be able to get on that. I can't even see it from this position. Frame is in the way. Oh, there it is. Or at least what I thought it was. I know there's another one up there. Okay, it's off the back side of this, maybe. Looks like the bolt maybe comes from the back side here. Goes through the entire assembly, or it's right here. No, it's right here. I don't think I'm going to be able to get on that with anything. Have to come from the front side. a wire in there. That one too. Probably the old starter wire. Yeah, that's definitely a bolt. Just can't get on her. Oh, might actually be loose and already on it. Feels like that. Okay, let's stop dicking around. This is a 1/2 inch. That would get us approximately the right length. A fun one to get back in later too. I'm sure of it. Wow, everything's right in the way. Why can't I get on that there? Okay, I think it's just because this shit's still here. Damn. Oh, my favorite. Fuck. Get on the other side of that fucking computer. Probably pulled it off first anyway. Yeah, I think I'm about there. Yep, feels like I might be on it. That is tightening. There we go. Loosening her up. Imagine I'll be here for 10 minutes, fucking cramping, trying to get this stupid fucking bolt out. I like this old ratchet because it's never let me down, but I fucking hate that I don't have a more modern 90 or 120 tooth ratchet. Because this is just
how's it going?
Eating my life away. It's going. Everything hurts, but it's going.
What are you,
I can't get this off.
what is eating your life away?
Shitty tools. I'm just making an excuse to buy a better ratchet. Is that okay with you?
No.
Okay, here we go. I think she's out. Oh, fuck. Oh. Yep, there she is.
That wasn't too bad. I was only gone 15 minutes.
Well, that's only 2 of the bolts. I still have some other shit to get to. And this fucking pile of shit uses SAE and metric, so everything off the solenoid and the cables are metric, and the starter bolts are SAE because the bell housing's probably made in the US, or most likely. And that solenoid at least is Chinese shit, or maybe it was swapped out at some point and remanufactured and they put Chinese shit on it. I don't know. Did I say Chinese? I just meant metric. That'll work. Is it 8? Feels like it. All right. Well, that all looks decent. Doesn't look like it was shorted out on anything or any abrasions to the insulation, so that's fine. All right. I got this last guy here to pull, and I'll have the starter in my hand. Yep. Which... All right, and for all of you playing around at home, there she is. I've taken off the main cable, and there's a little, this guy right here for the solenoid. So that's a ignition or key, whatever. Actually, there's a secondary solenoid that runs this solenoid, so whatever. Anyway, there's a bolt there. Oh, I can't get two hands in here. Obviously, one here and here that you can see, and there's another one up top that you can't really get to, so I had to put an extension come off the front side up here to get that guy out. And now let's see if she just pops out. Oh, this shit's in the way. Wow. Fucking nightmare. Got that big old giant crappy starter out. I think we're probably gonna end up getting a new one. Mostly because the teeth are, they're probably still good, but I'm gonna bring in for a close-up. They're a little torn up right at the beginning here, and I do remember it skipping, missing a little bit before, so I could just Dremel those down and call it a day. The engagement seems to be about more so on that side. Obviously it doesn't engage all the way. You can tell by the where the grease mark is here, halfway down the tooth, so who knows if it's fully engaging anymore. Not sure just how far that guy gets out there, but gonna play with it a little bit. See who wants to rotate more once I get it to the end. Oh, so you just continue pulling it, I suppose. Don't think that the Bendix was engaging fully, and so I have my statement underneath. I guess I couldn't see quite well. It doesn't feel like it's engaging fully there anymore. As far as smoke show goes, .4 ohms on the solenoid. Who knows if that's within spec of anything. Don't even know if I care to look it up. Try and find that stuff. I think this starter's just filling its age. But tear it apart anyway. camera angle maybe. Getting on these screws. Bigger hammer time. There she blows. Nice and clean on the inside. Wow. This thing was new enough at one point. Very pretty on the inside. So it looks like the lever arm is in good condition. It goes to full engagement without bottoming on anything. So, culprit got to be here. This looks like I probably will not be able to pull it apart without damaging it. I've crimped over the end here where all the guts inside. This is where I shut the camera off and do some research to see if I could just buy a solenoid for it. Of course, I should probably pull the rest of it apart, check the motor out, make sure the windings don't look like toast. Alright, who wants to take a bet now? Is this going to be SAE or metric? I'll bet metric, because that's what I grabbed. Tits is metric. Got a reduction in there. Nice. Oh! Smells like burnt shit coming out of there. Well, there you go. Yeah. I think this motor is toast. Oh yeah. She's fuckered. So, oh, I could smell it. So that's all the insulation. See if I could get a light in there. So that's all the insulation from something. Probably around the coils or whatever. That's just gonzos. Well, the brushes look fine. That insulation, I don't know where the hell that came from. What is it and why is it in there? Or if it's just all around the leads. No. Leads seem to have a silicone mesh. Don't know where it came from, but man, all the wires seem to be coated well enough in here. Looks like a lot of it just got caught up in the brushes and everything. Just built up everywhere. Well, the brush contacts look to be in fairly good nick. A little dirty, but not super worn out as bad as I've seen them on others. Yeah, this fiberglass shit just coated all around this. I don't know if that's where it came from, if it's by design. That's definitely where our smell was coming from, the smoke as well. New starter time. And we're back. So, new starter, new day, new starter, however you want to say it. Let's see here. Let's do a test fit real quick and then I'll find my bolts. How hard is that bolt to get to? Oh god. It's ridiculously hard to get to. Let's see how she fits. She fits in there okay. That's good. Back bolt's gonna be really hard to get to though. Yeah. Oh boy. Might start with that one. Looks like it fits in there all right. Okie dokie.
What you doing over there?
I'm recording some installation, except for I can't see anything.
Are you a vendor?
Yeah, I need my headlamp.
Okay. You need help?
Nah, no help. I'm just looking for stuff that I don't think I have with me. I'm like 90% sure I had those bolts. So for that top bolt, it's really stupid hard to get to. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might have to, I don't know. But basically I'll have to come up over the top blind and get on that thing and get it in. So I think we'll start with the bottom two easy ones, I suppose. And then we'll fuck with that other bolt. Probably take me half hour to get that other piece of crap in. So let's start here. I get him, but oh, she's a heavy one. The other one is gonna be a fucking magic trick if I can get that in. Let's see what I can do here. I have been known to do magic before. Okay, so that's this finger. It's way over there. If I could just get it in the hole, she might get pregnant. Hey, that feels like I made it in a hole. Try tightening up this guy to make it hopefully the only alignment it can be. Okay. It's kind of hand tight there. I'm just trying to, I can't see it, and there's no way to see it even from the front. There's a bunch of crap in the way. I'm trying to get this on the bolt that's up on the very top side of the starter. I mean, I don't know what to do. If I flip around, I might be able to get a hand. There's no way to go up over the top side, and I can't really contort my hand this way to get on it. I don't know what to do. Now I'm hunting for wabbits that I can't see at all. I can't reach in there. It's so far up there. Wow. So it's, yeah, it's like unbelievably far up there. Okay, this is just a little too long. Man, this is a shit show. Oh, Jesus Christ. Fuck. Oops. I think I'm actually in the hole. Wow. That's what she said. It's still in there? Okay, bolt's in the hole again. Almost. See just barely the tip of her. There's no way to see it. See it, get on it, feel it, touch it, do anything with it. It's, you can't see shit from here. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah, this might be a better angle. Oh yeah, there's no way I can like get on that. I need like a stubby, maybe some grass will do. Help hold that in. Oh, no way, I fell off. Shit, I don't know what to do. The upper bolt is really, really hard to get to.
How you doing over here?
I got a very difficult bolt that is not treating me very well. So I got like this bolt that's in a weird little cubby that won't allow me to get anything on it, and I definitely can't use a wrench or anything. It's just, okay, 13 it does. So loosen these so I could just jiggle the damn thing again. Yep, looks like I can slowly thread that in. Couldn't imagine doing this in the field. This is just a nightmare. I think that's the guy.